Hey guys, we're out here in Central Mexico with Yara and Ivan. No matter where you are in the world or what you're shooting, PW6 is presets that are designed for workflow over 10 years in the making that can be applied to any situation, any image, whether you have 5 images or 5,000.
Hola. Hola.
Hermoso. It actually started over a decade ago with Lightroom 1. And with every progressive version, we've made more refinement, more creativity. PW6 is your style and your control, starting with the total process presets, giving you the most efficient individual and batch editing that you've ever seen in Lightroom, Photoshop, Camera Raw. Within the total editing presets, we have incredible tools like the new and refined Super Series, like the brand new Fast presets for furiously automated, stunning treatments. Yes, that's an acronym. The magic tools fix problems, and they do it really well. Yes, of course we all get it right in camera, most of the time. The reality is when we're working, we need images to look as good as they can. And the Magic Series takes images that are good and makes them greater, or it takes images that have some problems and helps you fix those problems fast. We've broken the rules in terms of making it easy. We've batch and workflow tools that can go on 1 image or 10,000 images. Super versatile. But then we're gonna continue that on with Mod. We've taken Pixel Forge to a new level in version 6. With more refinement, more organization, more intuitive operations to mix and match infinite combinations to effectively stack your presets. So you can start with a total process and then you can simply modify the color, the tone, the surface, the details. Let's just make the color more portrait oriented. Let's make it more landscape oriented. Let's add a little more grit. Let's add a little more. Instead of going over to the sliders and just like tweaking around and spending a lot of time on every image, you can really come into Power Workflow and just click, click. If you click the shutter on a camera, PW6 is for you. If you have one editing collection, your visualization, your creativity, and put it on the finished image in the most efficient, professional, and creative way possible. PW6 is just better editing. I'm Gavin Syme, and these presets are freaking awesome. How about, in a world where most Lightroom presets completely suck, one collection will blow your collective photographer mind. Workflow is like the difference between a happy baby and a screaming baby. Both babies will eat food and do things, but a happy baby is just better. It's more efficient, it's more enjoyable. Happy baby! Zoop, zoop. Uh-oh, see that? Sad babies are bad workflow.